Electronics technology is changing at a rapid rate. If we want to mate two boards, what shall we do? We will have a connector on one board and mating connector on plug-in board. When mated, electrical connectivity happens. This is proved to be unreliable, especially when there are low-pin pitch connectors and complex connectors. Mating cycles are less and chances of unreliable connections are more. To counter these reliability issues, what if connector is eliminated and if boards connect wireless? Yes, it is possible now, and this is called by the name contactless connectivity. Molex has introduced MX60 series of chips which helps to achieve this wireless connectivity, thereby eliminating the need for mating connectors. We might have a doubt on the impact of other wireless devices and on the board. Do not even think of it. The chips operate around 60 GHz. And these chips remains unaffected by interference from Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or wireless chargers, making it a robust way to add contactless connectivity. The block diagram shows contactless connectivity solution with MX60 USB SuperSpeed chip. The block diagram shows contactless connectivity solution with MX60 DisplayPort main and DisplayPort auxiliary chip. This block diagram shows wireless connectivity with MX60 Gigabit Ethernet chip.